Hello learners, welcome to the section 3, which is installation of virtual operating systems in your computer. In this section, we are going to take a look at the couple of points like the introduction part of Kali Linux operating systems and introduction about VMware. Exploring Kali Linux OS and VMware. Here, we will learn about some points like what is the foundation of Kali Linux and about VMware as well. So first of all, we are starting with the Kali Linux operating system. What is it, how it works, and when to use it. So Kali Linux is a Debian-based Linux distribution aimed at advanced penetration testing and security auditing. It means Kali Linux is generally used for advanced level of penetration testing. Kali contains several hundred tools, or I should say 1,000 tools, which are geared towards various information security tasks such as PT, security research, computer forensics, and reverse engineering as well. So they are saying that Kali Linux is developed, funded, and maintained by Offensive Security. So you can visit Offensive Security website where you can download Kali Linux ISO file. So and obviously Offensive Security is a leading information security training company. Kali Linux was released on 13th March 2013 as a complete top-to-bottom rebuild of Backtrack Linux, adhering completely to Debian development standards. Where you can download Kali Linux. Kali Linux images can be downloaded from the official website of Kali Linux, and the official website is, you can see here, the kalilinux.org or kali.org/downloads. You can visit this link to download Kali Linux ISO or image file. Offensive security team generate fresh Kali Linux images files every few months, which we make available for download. This page provides the links to download Kali Linux in its latest official release. So if you want to download Kali Linux, then you can visit the page. So you can type Offensive Security in Google and you can visit this website. This company generates Kali images. This is Offensive Security website. And they have some courses as well, in-house live training, certifications, penetration testing services, projects as well. You can visit Kali Linux virtual images here. Right, so you can see here that Kali Linux VMware 64-bit images available, which you can download from torrent as well. Or if you want to get the direct link of Kali Linux image, so you can just go back and type download Kali Linux, enter, and here you can get the direct link. Click here and it will open up the download link directly, right? So this is the download link. So here you can see that if you have a 32-bit system or if you have a 64-bit system, so generally we download 64-bit system Kali. So you can click on HTTP here, click here, and you can see that you will get a 2.8 GB ISO file of Kali Linux 2018.1 version, which is the latest one. You can save it and you can use it in our next video, which is installation procedure of Kali Linux. So basically that you can visit this website kali.org/downloads and it can provide you the latest ISO image virtual machine, like we use VMware or Oracle as a virtual machine. So what is virtual machine? A virtual machine is an emulation of a computer system. Virtual machines are based on computer architectures and provide functionality of a physical computer, obviously. So their implementations may involve specialized hardware, software, or a combination. A virtual machine was originally defined by Popek and Goldberg as an efficient isolated duplicate. Means it is also called a duplicate machine. Means machine inside a machine. Current use includes virtual machines which have no direct correspondence to any real hardware. Virtual machines, like one is Oracle VirtualBox and second is VMware Workstation. So I personally use VMware Workstation because it is more user friendly and a good looking GUI version. So where you can download these VirtualBox and VMware Workstation, we will take a look at that. And you can see that there are a couple of links there to download virtual machine VMware. So you can also open the file repo if you want to directly download VMware without filling any form or anything else. So you can just click on file repo website where you can get the direct link of VMware Workstation. So you can see here that it has download free version, which is 465 MB. When you click on that, then it will directly download the VMware Workstation on your system. We will use VMware Workstation in our later videos, so that's why I'm showing you the where you can download the VMware. So you can see here, and just it will take few seconds and you will get the download image of VMware Workstation. Here we go. So you can see here that it is 465 MB, and you can save the file and you can install in your system. So basically you can see that I have my virtual machine or VMware Workstation set up here, and I'm going to install it in the Windows operating system or in the main OS. So let's install it. So you can click here. I have also a serial key which I will share with you. So first of all, double click on it, and yes, we want to install it, and it has started the installation procedure of VMware Workstation Pro. So we need to wait for the next steps here. So it is preparing to installation procedure. So hit on next. I accept the terms and license agreement. Hit on next. Click on next. That's fine. And hit on next. Install. So here we are at the installation page. That it is the status. You can see that it is copying files. It is updating the registration components, etc., etc. And very soon, in a few seconds, it will complete the installation procedure. That's quite simple steps that we can see that. And you can easily download VMware Workstation from internet. That's also available open source. So just we need to wait for a few seconds. And we also have a serial key. You can see here we also have a serial key. This is the serial key that you can use for the registration of VMware Workstation. And you will find these keys all over the internet. You can easily find out internet to activate the virtual operating system. So if you have a license key, then you can click here. If you don't have, then you can finish. But we have a license key, so you can click on the license, and here you can copy the serial key and you can paste here easily and hit on enter and finish. So your setup has been done. Now how you can open it? You can search in the Windows operating system, just hit VMware and you will find this. So basically we have clicked on the station and here we go. This is the VMware Workstation. I already have some images on that. That's why you can see some images there. But if you are installing it the first time, then you won't see these kind of machines here. You need to install these machines, and we will continue in the next video.